Hello everyone! Today, let's talk about the comparative form. But your question is, what's that? Well, when you want to compare one thing or one person to another, you employ this form using an adjective. But first, you have to know that the adjectives world is divided in four. The short ones, it is simple. They only have one syllable. Let's say, big. The long ones, guess what? It's really simple too. They have more than one syllable, 2, 3, 4, etc. Of course, you have those with two syllables, but which end with the letter Y, like happy. And finally, the irregular ones. There are only three of them: good, bad, and far. Get it? Short, long, two syllables with Y, and irregular. Okay, so when you compare one thing to another one, with a short adjective, you add er. For example, sweet becomes sweeter. Kind becomes kinder. But be careful! If you have a consonant, a vowel, and another consonant, you will have to double the last consonant. Let's take the example of big. Here, you will double the G. Bigger. Why? Because if you don't, you will pronounce it bigger. And you don't want the I to diphthong. With a long adjective, it's even simpler. You only need to add more before it. For example, decent becomes more decent. Comfortable becomes more comfortable. As for the adjectives with two syllables which end with the letter Y, like the short ones, they will end with er, and the Y will become an I. Here, funny will look like that. Funnier. Alright? Good. Now, let's finish with the irregular ones. Good becomes better. Bad becomes worse. And far becomes farther or further. Now that you know the rules, it is time to show you how to compare to specific items. Here you have a blue car. There you have a red one. Well, you will have to add a word. Than. Ready? The blue car is smaller, more colorful, funnier, better than the red car. You could also say the blue car is better. It's as simple as that. Goodbye everyone!
Created using Powtoon.